know, fall's a time when gardeners have a lot of chores to do out in the yard. Raking up leaves in the yard for one, but that also means you probably have some leaves in the gutters. We want to make sure that water is able to flow through our gutters and our downspouts, so we need to clear those out. Also in the winter it's important because when we get some snow, that snow melts off of the roof. We want to make sure that it's able to flow freely through the gutters and the downspout, not collecting in there, freezing and thawing, or causing problems with the siding or the roof on your house. Be careful getting up on your ladder. Spend a little time cleaning out those gutters and you'll eliminate some of those maintenance issues on your house. This is Chris Hilgert with the University of Wyoming Extension, and you're watching From the Ground Up.